Here's an Impala to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1996 Chevrolet Impala SS Sedan. Carfax indicates one owner car. No accidents indicated. Actual miles on this car at 31,209. Dark cherry metallic, gray leather interior, of course that beefed up LT1 V8 underneath the hood. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Take a look at the front bumper or fascia on this car, the grille. We'll take a peek underneath the hood here in just a bit, start it up, let you hear it run. If you want to check out the underside pictures, interior, engine bay, trunk, right close to 100 pictures of this car, online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That'll take you right to our website and check out all the pics. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct polished SS wheels. And as you can see, the paint shows well. Good looking color in the dark cherry. Then of course with the gray leather interior. 96, gonna have the bucket seats in the center console. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little closer in just a bit. We're also gonna take this car for a drive. At the very end of this video, show you how it goes down the road, and you can see up and down this passenger side, it's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. What you'd expect with this kind of miles on a 1996, especially one with a clean Carfax, indicating one owner. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Look at the reflection in that paint. See the wall behind me? Some of the things that are going to go with this car, it does have the original window sticker, also showroom brochure, as well as some miscellaneous paperwork. Look like the original bill of sale. Of course, the Impala SS had a little lowered suspension. A little more heavy duty also, came from the Caprice cop car. Larger brakes, limited slip differential, dual exhaust. Once again, take your time looking through those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com, as we take a look down the driver's side. Now, if you like Impalas, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the cars are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor. If you make it to see us in person, always like that. Again, up and down the driver's side, no major nicks, dings, or scratches. You may find a small imperfection here or there, but boy, you gotta look pretty close. Fine-tooth comb. Interior, of course, leather seats, no rips, tears, holes. How about up front? Of course, your modern amenities that you're going to have on a little later model car with the power seats. This one has them both sides, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, original floor mats. Take a peek at the seating surface. Nice shape. And again, bucket seats in the 96. Take a look at the exact miles here. 31,209. Fired up. 5.7 liter V8 power. No check engine light, service engine soon lights, anything like that. Just the seatbelt light since I don't have that on. Tack is working. Everything looking good on the dash. AM, FM, CD. Radio is working. Power antenna also just going down there when I turned the radio off. Just click it back on a second. There's power antenna working, as it should. Top of the dash. Appears that this car was definitely stored indoors. Up that headliner. Headliner looking good. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. I've not really noticed any major modifications, so sounds as you'd expect. All right, let me slip up to the front. Let's see, I think I can probably get this hood open one-handed. Let's try. Hood struts working as they should. Hood liner, and here it is. So 5.7 liter, 350 cubic inches, LT1 power. Sounds and looks as it should. Stock looking engine bay. Be a fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. These are always popular here, no doubt about that. 1996 Chevrolet Impala SS. Good looking sedan. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1996 Chevrolet Impala SS. This would be the souped up version. Maybe similar to the versions they use for police cars, which that makes it even cooler. This is an automatic right on the center console, so it's super easy to drive. Comfortable when cars were still very comfortable and large. Seat area, spacious. Looks like leather bucket seats in this car. All our gauges are working well. Nice low mile Impala. Power adjustable multi-position seat, cruise control functions. Nice smooth ride on this highway. A little bit of rumble just to know, just to maybe let you know there's a little performance there in that rumble. Really clean dash, headliner, not seeing any marks. AC is blowing cold right now. This is another car that's getting kind of few and far between to find a good example of, and this is one of those good examples. Corners as a cop car should, I gotta say it. Corners as an Impala SS should end nicely. You can feel the performance when you put that throttle down. Kind of luxurious, kind of sporty. Take the whole family wherever you want to go. 1996 Chevrolet Impala SS. Find all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.